Hey everyone, hi. Welcome to the Coding Gurukul. In this video, we are covering a PostgresSql, some basic commands. I'm going to start a series where in the next couple of days, I'll upload all the videos that cover entire PostgresSql from the beginning to the advance. So, without wasting the time, let's get started. I know so many people are already aware about it. What is PostgresSql? What would be the definition? So all the theoretical parts you can cover it. Just for now, I like to tell SQL, that means a table-based system in simple. So uh, let's connect with the PostgresSql now. Uh, I'm not covering how to install here. There are so many videos already present in YouTube. There are chat GPT and so many AIs already present. So go investigate, find out and install and set up. It will also enhance your capabilities. Okay, so in Postgres there are we have to do we need to create a database first. Inside our database we will create some tables as per needed, and then we'll start to perform some basics commands. So basically so many people we already aware about the CRUD, right? So in this part I am covering the create things, how to create a table, but not there are so many different types methods that helps to create tables. I want to focus here insertion parts. So basically let's start by some basics command that every SQL user have to learn these commands, and these are slash c. So what it will do, slash c basically whenever we create some database. So in MySQL we are using a use database something to connect one database to another database. Currently we are in Postgres, right? So many database we have. With the help of slash l we can see the numbers of databases inside your system. Okay, there are so many databases. I already created one, that is practicing. Here it is. So with the command create database, that is create database, and then name of the database, you can simply create a database. It's created. I'm not going to touch these databases currently. So let's get connected with my practicing field. So with the help of slash c, that helps to switching one database to another by simply typing its name practicing, and it's connected with my practicing database, right? So inside it I created, okay, uh, we need to set the path. What is this I will cover later, but as of now we just focus on the few things, that is insertions sections. So set search path to public. Okay, right? Now we can see here, okay, we can see here. Okay, let me clear these things that help to understand. Okay, so slash apostrophes and then exclamatory and then clear keyword help you to clear all the commands in your Postgres uh, cell that looks easy for you to understand. So these are the basic commands that keep in mind, that help you during the code writing the commands. So Okay. What we are going to do, we are going to see the tables. Okay, all right. So there are three tables that I created. Okay, okay, four one it is. Employee, orders, users, active users. Now how we can describe the tables? See, with the help of slash d we can describe the tables. But one interesting thing that I like to say, with the help of multiple slash d lines, you can describe the multiple tables in one line just. So keep these things. Alright. So alright, sorry. Uh, yeah, this is. So what we are going to do, we are playing with the table uh, users. Okay, so the most basic command that every user should remember, that is how to insert a single entry in a table. The command is just like this one. You can follow the docs as well. Users, then okay, uh, here the id is the auto increment that when I was creating the table I was using the serial primary key, so no need to use id here. During the insertion type we just simply use name and the rest of the fields, that is ng, emails, uh, status. I think status is also boolean and the by default value is true, so you can ignore it. Okay, just for our now, make it easy. Values, the values that you want to use in PostgresSql. I think double string is not using, we should use single string itself. And name, let's take the name uh, January. I wish this spelling is correct. January @gmail.com, right? Just stay connected with this. Oh, what happened? I think we did something wrong. Syntax error somewhere. Insert user ng, email, values. What did we do? Something. January. Ng, email. Seriously. Okay, the spelling is okay. Okay, makes sense. I wrote up wrong spelling. This will work. Yeah, we inserted one command. Okay, here one interesting thing. See, one entry you can see, we inserted a entry in the table. We'll come into it. There is a command called returning. Whenever you are inserting a table and you want to see what is their id, what whether it really inserted, this returning command will return that data itself. So you can use their id or ng, email, that is, and then simply just wait and watch. See, so there are already so many entries already present in the table. So in the existing table I inserted one table, one entry. So their id is 2616 and email is this, that is inserted. You can see the data. Select star from users where id equal to 216. Yeah, in simple. By default value is true. Okay. So this is the very basic command. By inserting one data at a time. what will be the command when we are inserting multiple data? How the command will perform? See, you can use GPT, you can get so many commands, but we have to understand how commands is working. Once you understand these things, you will create your own commands here. No need to learn the commands. Just understood, try to understand the basic things. Insert, that means inserting data into a table. This is the simple thing. Now with the help of these, we will started to build something more. So let's suppose I want to create a multiple entries, then I'll put here a multiple things in simple, just copying the data and oh, did I do something wrong? Just copying the data and comma paste it. Gmail 1. Okay, doesn't matter. Now inserting. So through this we can insert the multiples entries. Now uh, we have to understand here. Let's suppose we have two tables and we want to insert data of one table into the another one. It being very difficult for us to inserting one by one. So this time we can simply, let's clear these things. Okay, let me what happened, slash I clear, yeah. So let me truncate the table first. Okay, truncate is a command that deleted all the entries from your table. So we want to delete all the entries from employees. So now there is nothing you can see. Select count from employees, the 0. Alright, so we want to insert. How we will insert? We already learned how to insert a single entry, how to learn a multiple entries. The same command we will use but a slight variation. What we did? We did insert from. Now take the table name from data you want to take. So in this case we want to take data from the tables user, and now we need to insert the data. Just a second guys, just a second. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so now insert from users, the same thing we did. We will do let me check the what are the fields of the tables. I forget it. So it is id, name and gmail and the status. Alright, now simply write the command insert from users, then name comma and gmail comma. Okay, just close it and select name, email from. Okay, oh, I did a little wrong. I truncate the employees table, so it means I need to use the users here, and I want to insert the data in my employees table. So okay, so how this command will perform? This command will work inserting the data of the field name and email. I think okay. And then selecting the data from table user. The fields are name and email. The okay, this is not email, this is Angie email. Makes sense. Let's insert it. Okay, what is the error? Syntax error at from or near from. Insert from employee's name Angie email. Select it now. Why this came? Let me just figure it out. Employees. Okay. Okay, so this field is not presented here. Alright, but the error is telling syntax error. Let's write one more time. Insert from employees, the name, email, then select name and the email from users. Why this is tell me syntax error? Okay, makes sense. Insert into. Sorry, the command was wrong. What happened, man? Angie email. Angie email. Okay, okay. Sorry. Multiple error we are reading. Okay, there are 90 entries we did now. So, okay, apologize. Okay, the 90 entries we did. So, through this command, we are fetching the data from one table and inserting the data into another table. Similarly, we can do so these things in the multiple tables. We'll cover it out, or I want that you please go research and read the context. So, want to end this video as of now, but keep in touch. I'll upload my video in the coming few days, and that time we will covering this update or delete some term will be fine. Okay, so comment it out and don't judge about my English. I am doing these things because I want to improve it, and the most important things, just remove your hesitation. So have a nice conversation, have a nice day. God bless you. Go and bye bye.